Hi everyone, I'm A.S. Sandesh from grade 10. I am here to give a presentation on the topic refraction of light. In this video, we will learn about what is refraction, daily life examples of refraction, laws of refraction, and the concept of refractive index. What is refraction? Refraction of light is the phenomenon of bending of light from its original path on entering another medium. The refraction occurs right at the boundary of two media. The cause of refraction is that light travels at different velocities in different media. This change in velocity of light when it moves from one medium to another medium causes light to bend. Daily life examples where refraction can be seen: pencil dipped inside water, wooden log inside water, fishes swimming in water, the floor of swimming pool, light moving through a glass slab, etc. Laws of refraction of light. There are two main laws of refraction. Law 1. The incident ray, refracted ray, and the normal all lie in the same plane at the point of incidence. Law 2. The ratio of sine of angle of incidence to the sine of angle of refraction is always a constant. In the second law, the relation between the angles was discovered by Snell in 1621. So, the second law is also known as Snell's law. Refractive index. Refractive index of a medium is defined as the ratio of speed of light in vacuum to speed of light in the particular medium. Refractive index is represented by small letter n. N is equal to speed of light in vacuum divided by speed of light in the medium. As speed of light in air is almost equal to the speed of light in vacuum, we can write this formula as n is equal to speed of light in air divided by speed of light in the medium. So, we can conclude the formula as n is equal to c by v. A medium with higher value of refractive index is considered as optically denser than the medium with lower refractive index. Two cases of refraction. The ray of light traveling from rarer to denser medium slows down and bends towards the normal. When the ray of light travels from denser medium to rarer medium, it speeds up and bends away from the normal. As refractive index is the ratio of two velocities, it has no unit. It is just a mere value number. Thank you. Have a nice day.